This recipe will take less than 20 minutes regardless of the size batch you want to make. It will give you an extremely affordable Crisco frosting that is as white as chalk, making it easy to decorate your traditional wedding white cake. What is Crisco icing? Crisco is an American brand that sells all sorts of non-stick cooking and baking products. Their most famous product is arguably their range of shortening. They also do produce and sell cooking oils, coconut oils, and cooking spray. Crisco sells two types of shortening, an all-vegetable shortening or butter-flavored all-vegetable shortening. The difference between these comes down to color and flavor. For this recipe, you can use either one of these products. But, keep in mind that if you are using butter-flavored shortening, you will not be able to make the white frosting. Pros of using Crisco for wedding cake frostings. Using Crisco, a very high-quality and affordable shortening, you can save some money while not compromising on flavor. It will give you a fantastic consistency and an easily adjustable flavor. And, another big advantage over using butter is that you can create an incredibly snow-white frosting. What will you need in making this recipe? Ingredients: 1 cup, 6.7 ounces, Crisco all-vegetable shortening, softened. Half a cup of milk. Half a teaspoon of fine salt. 2 teaspoons extract of the flavor of your choice. 5 cups powdered sugar, sifted. Food coloring, optional. Step by step. Step 1. Cream the Crisco shortening. Start by placing the Crisco all-vegetable shortening into the bowl of a stand mixer. This will ensure that it creates extra light and fluffy frosting. Cream the Crisco shortening at a high speed for roughly 10 minutes. The shortening should be extremely light in color and have a very fluffy texture. Step 2. Make the milk mixture. Gently heat the milk inside of a small saucepan over very low heat. Then, add the salt and the flavoring you are using. Gently stir the mixture until all of the fine salt has dissolved. Then, remove the milk from the heat and allow it to cool completely before using it. Step 3. Make the Crisco frosting. Start by only adding about 3 cups of icing sugar first. Slowly whisk it in before increasing the speed of the mixer and beating it on high for about 2 minutes. Then, add the remaining icing sugar and again, beat it in slowly before increasing the speed. Beat the mixture at a high speed for 5 minutes. Make sure to scrape the sides using a silicone or rubber spatula. Step 4. Adjust the consistency. After your frosting has been whipped for about 5 minutes, you can now add the milk mixture. Start by only adding half of the milk and giving the frosting a mix. Then, increase the speed of the mixer and beat the frosting at high speed for 10 minutes. Step 5. Add coloring. Add food coloring after your frosting has been made. This way the color won't be diluted with other additives. Tips and tricks. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can also use an electric hand mixer. We don't recommend creaming your shortening with a hand whisk as it will be very labor-intensive and won't work nearly as well. When it comes to choosing a flavoring ingredient, we recommend choosing between an essence or an extract that will match the flavor of the wedding cake you are making. For this wedding cake icing with Crisco recipe, we have worked out the exact amount of milk that you need to get a fluffy workable frosting. We highly recommend adding gel-based food coloring. Liquid or powdered food coloring may adjust the consistency of your Crisco icing too much. You also usually need to add a ton of it to get the intensity in the color you need. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.